Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to delete all events from your Google Calendar mobile app. Let's get started. Open the Google Calendar app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. The Google Calendar app doesn't have a direct delete all button. To remove all events, you will need to delete your calendar or clear event from the Google Calendar website. On your phone, open Safari or any browser, go to the calendar.google.com and sign in to your Google account. Click the gear icon in the top right corner. Choose settings from the drop down. On the left, under settings for my calendar, select the calendar you want to clear. Scroll down and find remove calendar. You can choose to delete the entire calendar or unsubscribe. If it's your main calendar, you can't delete it, but you can delete events one by one or select multiple events on desktop. Deleting all events at once isn't available on mobile. And that's it. That's how you delete all your events from Google Calendar mobile app. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.